Hello, welcome back to the channel. Back in the Mondeo again today, so apologies to all those who are here for the mini content. We have a mirroring issue, so let me explain. So I'm sitting here in my Mondeo. It's a Titanium X, it has the Powerfold mirrors, only one of them is not a Powerfold mirror anymore. It's an X Powerfold mirror, as I will demonstrate now. This mirror behaves itself. This mirror does not. Very frustrating. So while I know they're not an expensive part, they can be, seem to be fiddly to replace. So I'm here to show you that they're not. Hopefully this is going to take me no more than about 10 minutes to swap over. The mirror lies behind this panel here. Now, in most cars, I think there's probably a panel clip here. In mine there is not, and it appears that someone may have tried to silicone this on at some point, but I mean, hey, it's an old car, it doesn't matter. So to get your fingers and nails behind it and give it a wiggle, and it comes off, sort of like this. There we go. So you see these clips here, that away. There's a little clip up here as well. Now, the only thing holding the mirror on is that bolt there. So if you haven't got Powerfold and you need to change the mirror, pull this off, unbolt that, Bob's your uncle. Unfortunately, I do have Powerfold that's not working, and the plug, as you may be able to see down here, is behind the door card. Thanks for that, Ford. There's plenty of space here. You could have put the plug at an easy to reach place, but no. So part one, let's get this tweeter out of the way. Right, that's the easy part. Now, unfortunately, we need to tackle the door card. Okay, there are 6 posi screws holding this on around the outside. You've got another 2 Torx bits here and another Torx bit there. So I'll get you on a time lapse and get these all undone. Okay, that's the 6 outside screws. Now we need to get to the other ones. So door handle is the first port of call. Shouldn't take much more than your fingernails, but I haven't really got much in the way of fingernails. So no, it's going to have to be my friend the flat bladed screwdriver. Into the top, little wiggle, there it goes. That one comes off. So behind there you've got these 2 little troughs here. Now, this is a T25 Torx bit, so just whiz them out. Door card's not going to fall anywhere. You might need a magnet at this point. Yeah, I might need a magnet. Let's get them undone. They can be a bit fiddly to get back in, but hey, that's the name of the game, isn't it? Will it come out? No, that won't come out. Let's employ my friend the magnet. There's 1, there's 2. Okay. The last part is this little fiddly bugger here. Now I'm sure there is a proper tool for getting this little cover off here. Let me show you this little cover. Just there. There's probably a proper tool for getting in there, or if you've got a small enough screwdriver, you get that out nice and easy. I don't have any of those things, so I'm going to use the spike of a compass. Here we go. Handle back, get it in there and pull. Ping. Go and find that later. So that one is a T20 Torx, isn't it? T20? Yeah. So 25 for the handle, T20 for in here. And then pretty much the door card should come off. So it's not really like a tricky, long-winded job. Okay, next part. Get hold of the surround for the light switch. Lift that out, and we can unplug the light switch, the door handle switch, and throw it on the floor. And then if we get hold of the door card, pull it away at the bottom, lift it up. There you go. Really not that bad, is it? So as I said, we have one single 10mm head bolt on here. I think it's an M8 10mm head, so obviously if you lose that bolt or don't have it for any reason, you can always go and grab another one. And the plug that you can't get to, because they put it all the way down here, is this one. So, simple as, unplug. Right, let's whiz this out. Okay, so I'm going to try now and do this one-handed. So, get your hand at the bottom of the mirror, pull the bottom upwards, and out it comes. Lovely. Hey, it's me. Hello. Now you'll see here, there are two. This is the one I've just taken off. This one I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for 20 quid, and the guy assured me that it worked. So I'm going to take him by his word. He seemed like a decent chap, and conveniently, it's even the right colour. Although the plastic has faded a bit more, but you know, we'll deal with that later when it comes to washing the car. So hook the top in, and let's get this in place. That one through there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just make sure it sits nicely on the rubber seals. Pull the cable through. Hey presto. Let's get the thread started on that. Okay. See what I mean? It's an easy job. So, I mean, this is only finger tight at the minute, but let's plug it in and make sure it works. Because if it doesn't, I'm taking these two apart until I can make a good one. Here comes the test. Woohoo! I'd imagine what happens is the weather interferes with the equation, but it's nice to have two working Powerfold mirrors again, isn't it? While we're all sitting here looking at this, some things I feel I should point out. This is your window switch, and it's very easy to get this in front of this fitting here, and it can be a bit of a sod to get the door card back on. Ask me how I know. So make sure it's just tucked behind here, sitting in that gap. You can plug it in later. If it hadn't been the mirror that had gone wrong, it could well have been the old door control unit. So I believe this controls your uppy downy window with your button that goes into it. You've got your mirror controls, your heated mirror. So if all of that's not working, I believe it's this that fails, or even the wire that goes between it and the rest of the car, which we'll not worry about for now. So yeah, thought I'd just mention that while we're here. So let's button this all back up. Reversal of removal. I was saying about the this wire here needs to go behind that clip. This is the exact reason, because if it sits in front of it, you won't be able to get the switch back in. So you can wiggle it round, but it can be a bit of a pig because there's a spike just there. So I've done this before, and the cable comes up here. You're like, okay, you just can't get it back in. So yeah, make sure that is nice and free. Plug in your switch, put your cover back on, and then the last screw, I think, on the door card anyway. The camera balancing as it does on my knee. One clip, pull the handle back, slide it into place. Wiggle, 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 and in it goes. So all that's left is that little Torx screw in there and the cap. Now, I don't know where the cap's gone, it pinged. I'll see if I can find a link to a replacement part, because if I've done that, there's a good chance you will do that too. Remembering that you need a T20 for this one to go in, not the T25. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, yes, the screw cover is missing. It's not the ugliest thing to not be there, but I'd rather it was there. So I'll have a hunt around outside on the floor, see if I can see it. If not, I'm pretty sure eBay will have said part. If not, I will 3D print my own one. Apologies for the awkward angle, and hopefully you can still see. This is the last part going back in. Plug on the tweeter, if it will. You can even get it the right way around. Where's the plug? It's the other side. Okay, plug that in there, and then this sort of slides in. I think it's supposed to be a slide in, and then there's meant to be a clip, just sort of, as you can see here, with that hole there. But My car doesn't have that. This has obviously been apart at some point, so wiggle, 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 and push it over, and hopefully, so there you have it, all back in. Now, let's just make sure this still works. Hooray! Okay, there we have getting the mirror back on. So I hope some of you have found that useful. If you've got to do this job yourself and you come across any other roadblocks, please let me know. And follow along to see more Mondeo content, because there's going to be more, because I've got to look after the damn thing. There's also going to be more C-Max content and more Mini content, but yes, thank you very much. Hit the buttons, and see you on the next one.